Okay, so Ian, tongue-in-cheek, actually asked a question: which insurers would pick up the costs to replace a geyser under warranty? Okay, so I'm going to answer that half first, and then I'll let Glenn add to it. So if a geyser is under warranty, would an insurance company pick it up? And actually the answer is no, because the policy wording actually says any, and I'm talking about typical policy wording that we work with, but there are others, that if something is under warranty, then it's not being insured because it's under warranty still. So a geyser with a 5-year warranty, if it pops after 4 years, then the owner must go and sort that out with the manufacturer. And the owner needs to do that themselves. Okay. However, where warranty, the insurance companies are trying to help somewhat, that we've noticed, and we have to ask very nicely, if the call center has been used, and for example, the manufacturer, and I'm using an example, is out of business, the manufacturer is no longer in business, then the insurance company might help somewhat. Okay, so that's just the way that we've been seeing it. The short answer is no, they don't. But where the call center is used, they may be more helpful if there are good reason for a warranty being voided, for example, or not being met. Glenn?
Yeah, interestingly enough, Mike, both CIA and CRB have covered that. And it's not so much that they're covering the actual tank as such, but more facilitating the cost of the installation of the tank. So if the situation arises where it's 3 stories up and or double story and access is a bit of a problem, they would maybe say, well, we'll treat that as a repair. And then based on the customer paying an excess or paying the excess and a shortfall in that instance, then they will pick up a portion of it. It's as I say, it's more a case of paying for the installation of the warranty tank. The warranty tank would be typically left there, and we would install it. I also think that the engagement of the body corporate to the call center plays a massive part in this factor, because you're inadvertently inviting them to participate in every claim, and that gives them the control to be doing certain things and really engaging with the complex. And I think what you start seeing when you have this engagement is the claims ratio moving in the right direction. So where your claims ratio was in a completely wrong direction previously, and now you've reeled it in completely, you now start seeing this more a helpful relationship coming from the insurer, where they say, okay, guys, we'll put back something, and they participate a little bit more by you inviting them into the space.